I'll write them down.
Right down. You mean that? So you can't turn any alarms.
I'm not. Here's the motor. Yeah. I'll go around the other one in a minute. I'll get down here the motor one time.
Okay.
Here.
Awesome.
Call it back down. Just go around the other one. I feel better. I just want to be it. I'm gonna watch the door close and we'll go the other one. It would have been cool if they made that glass. I'm gonna go ride the other one. Okay. Thank you. It's up to you. Yeah. All right, well, so as you can see, I'm back at my high school for just a minute because my dad is getting ready to retire, so I thought I'd take her around the elevator one last time because my dad will not be coming. I mean, my dad's retiring this Friday, so that means I won't be back here anymore. It's just, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Just talking to myself. I mean, he had a. This is where I went to school a year ago, but still, COVID. We're gonna ride the elevator first, then we're gonna hit the machine. Let's ride it. Okay. Come on. Remember this elevator, right? I'm not gonna ring the alarm bell because I don't want to get in trouble. Alright. Let's listen to this motor. Listen. Thank you. Ring the bell. Going one. So this was installed in 2010, about 11 years ago. And there will be a video of me driving the overs at PC, even though I didn't go to school there, which I was kind of worried about it. Tell you what, just for the heck of it, we're gonna send it up so you can hear the motor. It's locked. Alright, now listen to this hydraulic. Sorry. Let's speak up. Listen. It's locked, but I have gotten to see these machine rooms before. Big thank you to the head janitor, Larry. Just need to go. I'm only gonna do it once, but okay. All right. Okay, let's go. I want to show you the bathroom. Remember? Simplex remote strobe. Simplex speaker strobe. And one more thing to show you. Here's the other one. Okay, so there y'all go. So then that's gonna be it. Oh, there's your stairs and fire alarm pull station in. That's it. All right. When I was looking around high school a year ago, fire alarm. We gotta go. Yeah, my dad's retiring this year, so actually this Friday's his last day. He will not be here anymore. There's the fire alarm. Oh, eventually I think I'll try to come back and pull the fire alarm for a drill, if it's okay with one of the principals. We gotta go. Adios. So we're gonna go up. I pretend SouthWestern's the capital of Pulaski County, Kentucky. Like this is a city. I used to come this way all the time. Eventually I'll try a tour PC High School, which I wish I could have gone to school there, but I guess we'll end right here. There's the elevator. There's the library again. They could have made this glass. There's where every time we had the fire drills, I'd start that way. Alright, well, I guess for now, thanks for watching. That's it. Goodbye, Southwestern High School. Adios.